Hello, second grade. This is Module 4, Lesson 15. And our objective today is I can represent subtraction with and without the decomposition when there is a 3-digit minuend. So here's our application problem. I need you with your shoulder partner to get together and you're going to talk about how to solve this, and then you're going to solve it together. So, the problem is there are 136 students in the second grade at Miles Davis Elementary. 27 of them brought bag lunches to school. The rest buy the hot lunch. How many students are buying a hot lunch? So you and your shoulder partner need to get together, discuss how you're going to solve this, and then solve it together. Okay, so have you and your partner discussed and solved this? If you have not, push pause and do so. If so, let's compare our answers now. So did you say that you are going to subtract? So I took 126 students because we know that that's how many there are all together in the second grade. And we know that 27 of them brought lunches. So we can take those away. And we know that the rest, the ones that we are going to figure out, eat hot lunch. So how are we going to figure this out? I set this up vertically. And I've got my ones in line, my tens in line, and my hundreds. Can I take 7 away from 6? No, I cannot. So I need to take 110 from the 3 and give it to the 6 to make it 16. What is 16 minus 7? I'm going to put 7 in my head, and I'm going to count up to what number? 16. So starting at 7, we're going to put 7 in our head. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I counted 9 more. So our answer is 9. Then our 3 turned to a 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0. And we bring down the 1. And our answer is 109. Okay, so now we have 173 minus 42. So let's line that up vertically. Make sure your 1s are in line, your 10s are in line, and your 100. Go ahead and solve this on your own. Alright, let's compare answers. So did we have to take anything away from the 7 here? No, because we can take 2 away from 3. So what is 3 minus 2? 1. And what is 7 minus 4? 3. And we bring the 1 down, and our answer is 131. Now let's take 173 minus 38. Go ahead and solve this on your own. Make sure when you line this up we have the 1s in the line, the 10s, and the 100s. You're going to start by subtracting the 1s column, then the 10s, then the 100s. Go ahead. Alright, let's compare our answers. Can we take 8 away from 3? No, we cannot. So what do we need to do? We need to give a 10 to the 3 to make it 13, And we take that 10 from the 7 because the 7 was so nice to give it to the 3. And then the 7 turns into a 6. So what is 13 minus 8? Let's put 8 in our head and count to what number? 13. Okay, so count on from 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many did you get? 5. What is 6 minus 3? 3, and we bring down the 1. What is our answer? 135. Okay, go ahead and set this one up on your own, vertically, and then answer the question. All right, let's go ahead and compare. Is this how you set yours up? 170 minus 44. I lined up my ones, I lined up my tens, and my hundreds. Where do we need to start subtracting from? Do we start from the ones place here, or do we start at the hundreds? Right, we need to start at the ones. Do we need to take any tens from the 7 to give to the 0? Yes, we do, because we cannot take 4 from 0. So the 7 gave us a 10 to make this a 10, and the 7 turned into a 6. What is 10 minus 4? 6. And what is 6 minus 4? 2. And we bring down the 1, and our answer is what? 126. Go ahead and set this problem up on your own. Set it up vertically, and then solve. Alright, let's compare our answers. I did 150 minus 19. I lined up my ones, my tens, and my hundreds. Did we need to take any tens from the 5 to give to the 0? Yes, we do. So let's give that 10 to the 0 to make it 10. And the 5 is going to turn into a 4. What is 10 minus 9? 1. And what is 4 minus 1? 3. And we bring down the 1. And our answer is what? 131. Go ahead and set this one up on your own and solve. Let's compare our answers now. Is this how you set yours up? Good job. Do I need to take any tens from the 8? Yes, so let's give that 10 to the 6 to make it 16. We're going to take 1 away from the 8, which is 7, because the 8 gave us that 10 to the 6. What is 16 minus 7? We can put 7 in our head and count to what? 16. So count on from 7, put 7 in your head, count on 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. What did you get? 9. Good. And what is 7 minus 5? 2. And we bring down the 1. What is our answer? 129. It is your turn. Get your exit ticket, and you're going to solve these two problems on your own. Seesaw it to your teacher when you are done. Good luck.